Hi, welcome to the Shed. This is the first episode in our shell voicing series, and this one is about finding the tritone. Now, the tritone is the most important interval in a dominant seventh chord, and we're going to work on finding it. So first, you're going to start by putting your thumb on a principal tone. So this is the starting pitch, and then the first step to finding the tritone off that pitch is to put a space between your thumb and your index. So I'm not moving my thumb. I'm moving the whole other part of my right hand, and I am using my right hand for this. So you put that space there. And then we need to remember that the tritone is a raised fourth. So you can either count up 4 notes, so C, D, E, F, or you can know that F is one note after C in the order of fourths. And then we're just going to raise it. So all the tritones are going to be played with my thumb and middle finger. And it has that super unsteady sound. So if you're playing it, you'll know when it's a tritone. So here are some other tips. They're going to be all opposite colors except for B and F and B. So B and F is a tritone. It comes from the C major scale, so there are no sharps and flats. And then if you invert it, you have F and B. Now, F and B is a small shape, so play F and B with me. F with my thumb, B with my middle finger. And now let's play B and F. You have to move a little more to play B and F, and this is the only tritone that's like this. So we just have to know those, B and F and F and B. All right, if you are playing a flat key, you have to move your hand up. So let's do A flat. So I'm moving my hand up, my thumb's on A flat, shifting my the right part of my hand over, and then I have D flat here, and now raise it a half step. So I have A flat and D natural. And then the last one is, remember that a tritone is 6 half steps. So if you need to, count 6 half steps to check if you're right. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Remember, a half step is an interval that goes between notes. So make sure you're counting that between notes. All right, so now let's start spelling some of these. Let's do E. What's a tritone up from E? So shift your hand over, move your middle finger up. That's it. You can count half steps. You can know that the distance between E and A is a fourth, and I raised it. Or you can just figure that shape out with your hand and know that you're going to be right. Let's do D flat. Now it's a flat key, so I had to move my hand up. Shift over, raise it. Boom. How about G? Shift over, raise it. Tritone. How about F? Aha! It's one of those natural ones. E. Shift over, raise it. E flat. It's a flat key. Move over here. Shift over, raise it. B. It's the other natural one. So it's the big shape. You could think like in between B and E is a fourth, and then raise it. Or you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 half steps. And that is how to find a tritone.